If I had to figure it out, then someone else has to figure it out. So, let's create this video on how to make cartoon water that looks like this. Fill a new layer in white. Next we need to render clouds, so go filter, render, difference clouds, and run that twice. Now we need to open the levels panel, hell yeah. Let's open the levels panel and bring the black up to about 15 and just crunch the white. The middle value needs to be high to make sure the grey values aren't in the image. So something like this. We need to clean it up because currently that's very messy. Ugh. Next, use it as a mask. If you don't know how to do this, I have a video in the top right corner if it's been released yet that goes into masking in Photoshop. Import that image into Flash and then put a background that is a nice blue. Trace over the bitmap and optimize it to make sure that it runs well inside of Flash. Set the colour to a nice bright blue or, beautiful colour. Finally, you can do the shading in the background. So add a new layer, have a darker blue, and just draw some chunks of water. And voila, that looks pretty good. Thanks for watching. That was quite an off-the-cuff video because I needed to figure out how to do it and there was no tutorials on it. So hopefully this helps someone out. Like, comment, subscribe, all that lovely stuff. And give me some suggestions in the comments for what to do. As always, thanks for watching.